In today's video, I'm going to teach you some proven ways to boost views on your blogger blog. Whether you're new to blogging or have been at it for a while, gaining readers is a common goal for all bloggers. The good news is that increasing your views isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Let's dive right into the strategies. First, let's talk about creating high-quality, targeted content. One of the key elements of a successful blog is defining your niche. When you have a specific topic or audience in mind, you're more likely to attract loyal readers who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. Consistency is crucial. By publishing regularly, even if it's just once a week, you can build momentum and establish trust with your audience. Aim for in-depth posts, around 1,200 words, that provide solutions to problems or offer valuable insights. This shows that you care about the quality of your content and your readers' experiences. Adding engaging visuals is another great way to make your content more appealing. Whether it's images, infographics, or videos, visuals can help capture attention and improve readability. People tend to stick around longer when content is visually engaging. Once you have quality content, the next step is optimizing for search engines, also known as SEO. Start by doing keyword research to find words and phrases that your potential readers are likely to search for. Naturally incorporate these target keywords into your titles, headings, content, URLs, and even image alt text. This helps search engines understand what your blog is about and increases the chances of attracting organic traffic. Internal linking is a powerful practice that guides readers to other related content on your blog, keeping them engaged and on your site longer. Additionally, seek to build external backlinks from reputable sources. These act like votes of confidence and can significantly boost your SEO authority. Don't overlook technical SEO either. Make sure your blog loads quickly, is mobile responsive, and structured properly for search engines. Another effective strategy is tapping into trending topics and community platforms. Monitor social media trends or platforms like TikTok and YouTube. By writing blog posts around untapped but popular keywords, you can attract a surge of traffic, much like one blogger who notably increased traffic by leveraging trends. Lastly, share your blog on community platforms such as Quora, Reddit, or Medium. Offering valuable insights on these platforms and linking back to your blog can bring new readers your way. It's all about finding where your audience hangs out and meeting them there with valuable content. By combining consistent content creation with smart promotion, you're setting yourself up for blogging success. Keep these strategies in mind, and you'll soon see more readers engaging with your blog. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!